Welcome to Wannabe. Chief of Defence Staff CDS General Bipin Rawat. Bipin Rawat is an alumnus of St. Edward's School, Shimla and the National Defence Academy. He was commissioned on 16 December 1978 into the 5th Battalion of the 11th Gorkha Rifles of the Infantry. The battalion, which was commanded by his father while graduating from the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. He was awarded the coveted Sword of Honor. The general has a vast operational experience, having served across a wide spectrum of combat and conflict situations. He has commanded an infantry battalion along the line of actual control in the eastern sector and a Rashtriya Rifle sector in the Kashmir Valley. Soon thereafter, he went on to command a multinational brigade in a Chapter 7 mission in the Democratic Republic of Congo (DRC). He was assigned to command an infantry division along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir and was corps commander in the northeast. As an army commander, he was responsible to oversee operations in the desert sector along the western front. General Rawat has held several important instructional and staff appointments. These include instructional tenures at the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, and at the Junior Command Wing as a senior instructor. He was the General Staff Officer at Military Operations Directorate, Colonel, and the later Deputy Military Secretary in the Military Secretary's branch, the Major General Staff of the Eastern Theatre, and was also the Vice Chief of the Army Staff. The General was the Chief of the Army Staff from 31st December 2016 to 31st December 2019. A graduate of the Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, and the Command and General Staff Course, Fort Leavenworth, USA. He has attended the Higher Command course at MHOW and is a graduate of the National Defence College, New Delhi. Academically inclined, the General has authored several articles on national security and military leadership which have been published in various journals and publications. He also holds 2 diplomas in management and in computer studies. The General was awarded the Doctorate of Philosophy (PhD) for his research on military media strategic studies by the Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut. For the distinguished service rendered and valor displayed over the span of over 42 years of his entire service career, General Bipin Rawat has been conferred several presidential awards, which include the PVSM, UYSM, AVSM, YSSM, SM, and the VSM. Besides these, he has been awarded the Chief of Army Staff Commendation on 2 occasions, as also the Army Commander's Commendation. While serving with the UN in Congo, he was twice awarded the Force Commander's Commendation. General Bipin Rawat was appointed India's first Chief of Defence Staff on 31st December 2019. IAF chopper crash. Black box retrieved from crash site near Kunnur. The flight data recorder or black box can offer crucial data that can identify reasons for the chopper crash that happened on Wednesday near Kunnur in the Nilgiris, killing 13 of the 14 people on board. The flight data recorder of the Indian Air Force Mi-17V5 helicopter that crashed near Kunnur in the Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu on Wednesday, December 8th, killing Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika, and 11 other armed services personnel has been recovered. Informally known as the black box, it was recovered on Thursday morning after the arrival of Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chowdhury at the Sulur Air Force Base. Visuals of an officer carrying the black box back to the Sulur camp have been doing the rounds on social media. An IAF team under Air Marshal Mahendra Singh has begun an investigation into the crash. A 25-member special team of IAF officers led by Wing Commander R. Bharadwaj recovered the black box. The device will be handed over to the Accident Investigation Board at the Sulur base. The team has been conducting search operations since Thursday morning, as the priority on Wednesday was to recover the bodies safely and shift them to the military hospital Wellington. The black box collects data from the flight and helps in the investigation of aviation accidents and other incidents. Although known as the black box, the flight data recorder is painted bright orange for easy identification in the event of an accident. The data collected by the black box can help ascertain the reasons for the accident, such as unfavorable weather conditions, technical glitches, or human error. The black box can also reveal data about the helicopter's final flight situation. It also has a voice recording device that records cockpit conversations. Meanwhile, a 6-member special medical team from Coimbatore is attending to the treatment of the lone survivor in the helicopter crash, Group Captain Varun Singh, who is struggling for his life at the military hospital Wellington. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, who is in the Nilgiris, has already communicated to the army team that the state government would support the medical treatment of Group Captain Varun Singh. Sources at Wellington said that Varun Singh, who is a Shaurya Chakra awardee, suffered 60% burns in the crash. Further, forensic examination of the remains of the chopper can also reveal if there were external causes for the accident. In addition, Group Captain Varun Singh, the directing staff at the Defence Services Staff College in Wellington, can also provide first-hand information about the flight. On Wednesday, the IAF helicopter with 14 persons on board, including General Rawat and his wife, took off from Sulur Air Base and crashed minutes before it was supposed to land at Coonoor. Chopper crash survivor Varun Singh airlifted to Bengaluru. Group Captain Varun Singh, the lone survivor of the IAF chopper crash in Tamil Nadu's Coonoor, has been airlifted to Bengaluru for further treatment. Group Captain Varun Singh, the lone survivor of the Indian Air Force IAF chopper crash that resulted in the death of Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, his wife and 11 others, is critical and has been airlifted to Bengaluru for better treatment. IAF Group Captain Varun Singh has been shifted to Command Hospital in Bengaluru from the Army Hospital at Wellington in Tamil Nadu. Official sources in Coimbatore had earlier said that his condition is said to be critical but stable, and Singh had undergone 3 operations so far. Singh, according to sources, has suffered 45% burn injuries. Speaking in Parliament on Thursday morning, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said Group Captain Varun Singh is on life support in the military hospital at Wellington and all efforts are being made to save his life. Earlier in the day, the group captain's father, Colonel K.P. Singh, retired, said that he would be shifted to Bengaluru. He is being shifted to Bengaluru. I have reached Wellington, he was quoted as saying by PTI. Asked about his son's condition, he said, I can't say anything about that. I am not sure. Singh's parents, K.P. Singh and Uma Singh, were in Mumbai at the home of their younger son, Tanuj, a lieutenant commander in the Navy, when they received news of the crash on Wednesday. Colonel Ishan, retired, who lives next door to K.P. Singh's residence at Sun City on the airport road in Bhopal, said he was hopeful the injured officer would recover as he is a fighter. Singh was awarded the Shaurya Chakra on Independence Day this year for saving his LCA Tejas fighter aircraft during an aerial emergency in 2020. Black box found. Authorities had extended the search for the black box from 300 meters to a kilometer from the accident site, after which it was recovered. 2 boxes including flight data recorder have been recovered from one place. They can be taken to Delhi or Bangalore to find out the cause of the accident. The black box will get important information related to the developments before this accident in the mountains area on Wednesday. For more videos, please subscribe, share, like and comment below. Thanks for watching.